What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Back with another video. Meeting up with some friends, and then we're going to a motorcycle meet. Stuff you guys like. What's up? Didn't recognize you.
Yeah, I know. I brought the cop bike. My bike's still in the shop, dude.
Oh yeah. It's a little colder than I expected. How are you doing?
You good? Yeah, it was a little colder. I wore boots. And layered up, so I was like, I know it's cold.
I never wear boots just because I feel it scratches my heel guards. Yeah, I have carbon heel guards and I wore them a couple of times and they started scratching. I'm like, never mind. These are great. I crashed in those and...
Oh, the Alpine Stars?
Yeah.
I was looking at the Dainese ones they have. It's like $200 and something.
I have one of those too.
I like put them on and they were really stiff, like not comfortable at all.
They break in.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they break in.
A little bit softer.
They get way better. Like this one is super comfortable. All the bikes, S1K, 1299, ZX10, R1, V4R, squad. Weather was like extremely hot last week and now it's like cold again. Gee, I did not expect all of this traffic. We're not gonna enjoy our ride on the way there because we're just gonna be splitting the whole way. Squad!
What's going on?
Oh, it's good, bro. Good. How are you?
Good. I don't know if you know, but I think you have to go on Ducati's website and get the loud version of the clutch.
I can?
Yeah.
This is the loudest, I think. I think so, maybe. Squad.
I love that purple thing. That looks so good. So good. Yo, hey, where's the SP guy?
He couldn't make it today.
He said he was meeting you guys.
I know he was going to, but he couldn't make it. Yeah, we waited, and he said I can't make it, so we just came.
He told me to meet you guys there, but we were already in Orange, so I was like, we're just gonna go here.
Yeah, I don't know. Squaw. So much traffic.
I know.
I was trying not to go too crazy because I remembered you have a passenger.
Yeah. I appreciate that.
Yeah. Every time I'm like, I can go, I'm like, all right, let's calm down. How you doing, man? Thank you, appreciate it. I'll cheer for you.
Sure you don't want to sign up for anything?
I'm okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. I know, like way too much traffic.
Did that cross in front of you in that fucking truck?
Dude, I was so mad. I saw him in the mirror. It was an old guy. I was like,
Yeah, I know. I was like, I didn't want to.
No, the truck that cut me off.
Oh,
Yeah. Yeah, in the start.
They were behind us.
Yeah.
What if he sees and they
Yeah, I was like, nah.
Yeah.
Some older guy. Yeah.
So he's just kind of like.
Bro, like I'm going. You know when they turn their signals on, and they like you're going, and like they start merging slowly. I'm like, oh, he sees me. He's not gonna go because I'm like right there. And this dude still goes. I had to slam on my brakes and just go around him. I looked back and I was like, really?
he re-cleared his helmet, right?
Oh yeah, he redid it. I know, like what the hell? Ooh.
Yeah, like it.
Damn, that looks good.
It's off.
MV Dragster? There isn't that many bikes. I'm walking around too trying to find some bikes. I was like, there's not really many.
We brought the coolest one.
Yeah. Always, come on, you know how it is.
This is the only bike I want in this whole lot.
Me too. Me too.
Trying to keep up. I know. Last time trying to keep up, we missed the exit GNI. Remember?
Oh yeah.
Because he's going fast. Oh, yeah. So we start going too. Jeep behind him, I'm behind you. All of a sudden, we see him start to the right.
Nah, usually when we're in bigger groups like this, I don't go as fast. When we're like 2-3 people, that's when I mob it, because I'm like it's not too many of us. Now we're too many.
He was moving. When he's mobbing it, I just put it on my Maggie. Okay, what's the best? That's what I.
Nah, that guy's lying. This guy's the fastest in the group. Actually, him, they both like race and shit like that. I just have fast bikes. There's a difference. It is so cold right now, bro. I'm like freezing.